Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today we proceed with the next topic, which is the addition rule. Okay, in this topic we have mutually exclusive event, non-mutually exclusive event, dan juga independent event. Okay, so you kena ingat dia punya condition. Macam mana condition untuk mutually exclusive, macam mana condition untuk independent event. Okay, so you dah tahu event adalah outcome. Okay, outcome of an event. We have event A, event B, okay. Outcome of an experiment dipanggil event A, dipanggil event B. Okay, and then we can find the probability of an event, kan. Okay, macam sebelum ni, actually I dah ada explain juga a little bit about the mutually exclusive event, kan. Dah gunakan Venn diagram sebelum ni. Mutually exclusive means that there is no intersection between the two events. Okay, if we have event A and event B, okay, tiada intersection between these two events. So, itu dipanggil mutually exclusive event. Okay, kalau nak gunakan calculation, kita boleh gunakan the mutually exclusive event adalah when there is no intersection between event A dan event B. So, probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Okay, so you tahu union adalah we need to add up. Okay, the probability of these two events. So kalau nak cari probability of A union B, means that you tambahkan probability untuk event A dan juga probability untuk event B. Okay, so because of this, ini adalah dia punya formula. Okay, so kalau non-mutually exclusive event, okay, there is an intersection between the event. Between the two event A dan event B. Contohnya yang ni. We have two event A dan event B, kan. This is the Venn diagram. The probability of a Venn diagram is 1. And then probability of event B, A is here. Probability of event B is here, all of this. And then disebabkan ada intersection di sini, so ini adalah outcome untuk A intersect B. Okay. So, untuk nak cari probability of A union B, macam sebelum ni kita buat, kita tambahkan this part, tambah this part, tambah this part, dapatlah probability of A union B. Tapi kalau gunakan formula, it will be probability of A semua sekali dalam ni, tambah dengan probability of B semua sekali dalam ni. So, maksudnya dia ada redundant kat tengah ni. Sebab probability of A semua sekali ni, tambah probability of B, tambah yang ni. So, dia redundant dua kali tempat yang tengah ni. Sebab itulah kita tolak satu probability of A intersect B. Okay, ini adalah non-mutually exclusive event, which is we have the intersection between A dan B. Kalau mutually exclusive event, tiada intersection between A and B, so this part tak ada. Kan? Kalau non-mutually exclusive event, ada intersection, so ada this part. Okay? Saya balik lah. Okay, itu beza antara mutually exclusive event dan non-mutually exclusive event. Okay, satu lagi adalah independent event. Okay, which is sama ada A depend on B ataupun A does not depend on B. Okay, so nak check whether there is if the two event is independent or not, kita gunakan this formula saja. Okay, kena check probability of A intersect B tadi. Okay, adakah sama bila kita multiplykan probability of A darab dengan probability of B? Kalau kita dapat left hand side dengan right hand side ni sama, so kita boleh katakan A and B are independent event. Kalau tak sama, not independent event. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, saya ambil example this one. Okay. Okay, we have the two event A dan event B. The probability of A is 0.4, the probability of B is 0.5, and we have probability of A intersect B is 0.2. Okay, so we have all this value. Okay, kita jawablah soalan one by one. Using the Venn diagram, find probability of A union B. Okay, so A union B, kalau kat sini kita nampak ada intersection. So, boleh terus gunakan formula tadi sebenarnya, kan? Kalau ada intersection, maksudnya non-exclusive event, kan? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersect B. Right? Tapi kalau kita buat dalam bentuk Venn diagram pun boleh. Okay, disebabkan ada intersection between A dan B. So, bila you nak lukis, kena lukis macam ni lah. So, kat tengah-tengahnya ni adalah value-nya, probability-nya 0.2. So, di sini will be 0.2 juga because of, okay, sorry, letak sini A, di sini B. Sebab keseluruhannya 0.4, tapi kat tengah ni kita dah ambil 0.2, so here will be 0.2. And then di sebelah sini will be 0.3. Okay, so lengkap tak kita punya Venn diagram? Macam mana nak tahu lengkap ke tak? Bila you tambah all the probability should be 1. Tapi kat sini tak sampai, tak cukup lagi 1 kan? So kat luar ni ada value. So it will be 0.3 di luar ni. Kan? Okay. So sekarang ni nak dapatkan find probability of A union B, sama ada you gunakan this formula ataupun tambah ketiga-tiga ni pun boleh. 0.2 tambah 0.2 tambah 0.3. Ataupun kalau guna formula 0.4 plus 0.5 minus 0.2. You akan dapat jawapan yang sama, which is 0.7. Okey, untuk soalan yang kedua, lagi senang kita tengok Venn diagram. Sebab dia nak dapatkan probability of A complement selain dari A intersect dengan B. Okey, selain dari A maksudnya luar daripada A intersect dengan B. So the value will be 0.3. Terus boleh dapat jawapan 0.3, which is this part. Okay. Okay, soalan yang ketiga yang kita nak jawab tadi. Are A and B are mutually exclusive? Explain. Okay, so dah terang lagi bersuluh because of there is intersection between event A dan event B. So we can say that A and B are not mutually exclusive, tapi kena explain why, so you kena state the reason. Okay, A and B not mutually exclusive because, okay, ataupun since probability of A intersect B not 0. Okay, not equal to 0, ada value. Ataupun since A intersect B not the null set. Kalau null set, barulah mutually exclusive. Okay. Okay, yang keempat. R, A and B are independent. Tadi kan kita katakan syaratnya independent if probability of A intersect B equal to probability of A multiply probability of B. So we need to check this condition first. Kita dah tahu probability of A intersect B adalah 0.2. So kena multiply probability of A darab dengan probability of B. Adakah dapat sama dengan value 0.2? So 0.4 multiply 0.5, then you will get 0.2. So from here we can say that probability of event A dan event B adalah independent event. So we can say that A and B are independent since probability of A intersect B equal to probability of A multiply probability of B. Okay, kalau tak dapat sama, the value probability of A intersect B ni tak sama dengan value bila you multiply these two. So, you katakan A and B are not independent ataupun dependent. Okay. Alright, so 3 condition tu yang you kena ingat, mutually exclusive dan juga independent. Okay, nanti boleh try buat yang ni. Sama macam tadi. Okay. Okay, the next one adalah about the conditional probability. Okay, ini conditional probability. Kalau ada ni notation dia. B given A. Ni nama dia given. Kita baca probability of B given A. Which is, this is the conditional probability. So, probability of B given A adalah probability of A intersect B divide dengan probability of A. You kena ingat dia punya formula ni. Okay, boleh cari probability of A intersect B dan boleh cari juga probability of A. Bolehlah dapatkan conditional probability of B given A. Kalau kita nak cari probability of A given B, pula adalah it will be A intersect, probability of A intersect B yang sama atas ni, divide dengan, kalau tadi kat belakang ni given A, so di bawah ni will be probability of A. Tapi yang ni kalau given B, so kat bawah ni probability of B. Okay, itu beza dia. That is the conditional probability. Okay, let's see example. The employees of an accounting firm were classified according to their levels of education and gender. Okay, dia bagi dalam bentuk table. Okay, so kita ada gender, male and female, dan juga dia punya level of education. We have 4 level here. Okay, soalan pertama. Find the probability that a randomly selected employee is a female with a diploma. Female with a diploma. So, yang mana female with a diploma, which is 10. Kan 10. Tapi dia nak you cari probability. Kalau 10 ni bilangan sahaja. Nak cari probability, so you kena divide dengan so kat sini I buat female with diploma, maksudnya intersect dengan diploma. Okay, which is 10. Dia punya outcome is 10. Divide dengan, kena bahagi dengan sample size. Sample size maksudnya semua sekali bilangan. So, total of this adalah berapa? It's 40. Okay. Female with diploma maksudnya female intersect diploma. Dia nak dapatkan probability. So, number of outcome of female intersect diploma kena divide dengan total of the sample space. Bilangan sample space semua sekali, which is 40. So, the answer will be 0.4. Salah. Not 0.4, right? It is 0.25. Okay. So, kalau kat sini contohnya dia nak didapatkan probability the selected employee is with female ataupun male with certificate level of education. So, it will be 5 divide dengan 40. Kalau dia nak cari probability of female employee, maksudnya dia tak bagi tahu female tu certificate ke diploma ke degree ataupun master. So, kena total up semua sekali female bahagi dengan semua, bahagi dengan bilangan of all of the employee, which is 40. Okay, kalau dia nak dapatkan probability of the employee with certificate, dia tak bagi tahu male ke female, so you kena total up certificate 8 tambah 5, which is 30, divide dengan total semua sekali 40. Ingat, kalau nak cari probability, kena bahagi dengan total of the sample size. Okay, tengok soalan kedua. It is known that the employee is a male. Find the probability that he has only a certificate. Okay, so kalau macam ni ayat dia, ini actually adalah probability. Ini adalah conditional probability. Yang disebut kat depan ni adalah given. Which is, dia nak cari find the probability that he has a certificate. So, nak cari probability of certificate. Nak cari probability of certificate. Tapi dia dah bagi tahu dulu given ni. Maksudnya, given the employee is a male. So, given male. Certificate given male. Okay. Probability that an event is happened when the other event has happened. Benda ni yang berlaku dulu. Okay, yang kat belakang ni given ni. Okay, so given that the employee is a male, what is the probability that he has only a certificate? Means that you kena transfer ke dalam bentuk statistik. Probability of a certificate given male. So, daripada sini, Okay, tengok baliklah macam mana cara nak keluarkan dia punya formula. So, it will be probability of C intersect male divide dengan probability of male. Ni kat bawah, ni kat belakang. Okay, so how to find the probability of C intersect male? So, tengoklah. C intersect male kat sini 5. Right? So, 5 tu bilangan. Dia nak probability. So, 5 over 40. Sebab kena bahagi dengan altogether number of employee. Itu yang kat atas tu. Nak cari yang ni. Cari pula probability of male. Probability of male maksudnya kena total up all the male. So, which is 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5. So, it is 15. Divide dengan total semua sekali 40. Okay, so the answer will be 5 over 15. Ataupun 0.333 something. Okay. 333. Okay, so that is how to find the, to grab the information from the table here. And then kena tukar daripada sentence ke dalam bentuk ayat statistik. Okay. Okay, let's see another example lah kat sini. A faculty has 3 departments, statistics, computer science dan mathematics. Okay, each department consists of tutor, lecturer dan senior lecturer as shown in the table. One person is selected at random for a short course. Find the probability that a senior lecturer is selected. Dia tak bagi tahu senior lecturer tu daripada bidang mana. Okay, which field. Just dia bagi tahu nak cari probability of the senior lecturer sahaja. So, senior lecturer kena total up semua sekali berapa kat sini. We have 8 senior lecturer kan. So, sebab nak cari probability, so you kena bahagikan dengan all together, all the lecturers yang ada. Okay, so semua sekali ada berapa? Total up. Kita total up. So, kat sini 20. Second column is 10. Mathematics ada 15. So, altogether 45. Let's say kita buat, ini adalah event senior lecturer. So, I buat SL, which is 8 over altogether 45. Okay, so kalau nak buat dalam bentuk perpuluhan pun boleh. So, it will be 0.1777. Okay, yang kedua. Find the probability that a tutor is selected knowing that he is from mathematics department. Knowing that. So, maksudnya benda yang that happened earlier. So, means that kita nak cari probability of, find the probability of tutor is selecting knowing that. Okay, tutor is selecting knowing that maksudnya given he is from mathematics department. Tutor given mathematics department. So, how to calculate this formula? Guna conditional probability. The formula will turn to be T intersect M, kan? Divide dengan probability of M, which is mathematics department. So, T intersect M, tutor, mathematics, we have 7. Altogether, divide dengan 45. Over probability of lecturer from mathematics department, we have 15. So, 15 over 45. So, lastly, we will have 7 over 15. So, it is 0.4667. Okay. Okay, soalan yang ketiga ditanya, are the event, lecturer and statistics are mutually exclusive? Okay, so kalau ditanya soalan mutually exclusive means that you kena tengok sama ada the two event ada intersection ataupun tidak. So, you tengok lecturer, jawatan lecturer dan department statistik. Ada tak intersection between these two? Ada kan? 7. So, means that ada intersection between these two events. So, these two events are not mutually exclusive. So, you can say that event lecturer and department statistics not mutually exclusive since event L intersect department statistics is not null set. Ataupun the probability of L intersect S is not equal to 0. Okay. Senang saja tengok kan intersection ataupun tidak. Yang the final questions. Are these event computer science and senior lecturer are independent? So you kena test sama ada event computer science intersect dengan senior lecturer adakah sama bila kita multiplykan property of computer science department multiply dengan property of senior lecturer. Adakah sama? So kita tengok kat sini probability of senior lecturer intersect dengan computer science is 2. So statekan probability of CS intersect dengan senior lecturer is 2/45. Remember sebab kita nak kat sini kita statekan dia punya probability, so kena bahagi dengan total sample space. Okay, and then kena check, kena multiplykan probability of X multiply dengan probability of CS computer science department darab dengan senior lecturer event which is computer science altogether ada berapa kat sini 10. So it is the probability will be 10/45 darab dengan probability of senior lecturers. Altogether senior lecturer ada 8/45. So multiply these two dapat berapa? Adakah sama dapat dengan yang ke atas ni, the intersection between that two. So it will be 10/45 multiply dengan 8/45. So we will get 16/405, which is not equal to the intersection, the probability of the intersection between CS dan senior lecturer. So what we can conclude here, we can say that event CS and senior lecturer are not independent since probability of CS intersect dengan senior lecturer not equal to probability of computer science multiply dengan probability of senior lecturer. Okay, not independent. Okay, so that is the way how you cater the questions of mutually exclusive, independent, dan juga how to find the conditional probability. Okay, that's simple.